Problem 46 asks us to solve the following equation. Our first step would be to determine what the LCD is of the problem. So our terms on the bottom are 1 and x minus 4. 1's a factor of every number, so we don't have to include that. So our other term would be x minus 4. So the LCD is x minus 4. So we're going to take x minus 4, put it over 1, and multiply each of these fractions by it. So it becomes x minus 4 over 1, x minus 4 over 1, x minus 4 over 1. Now we're going to simplify. We can't simplify anything here, so we're left with x times x minus 4. In this fraction, the x minus 4's cancel out, and we're just left with a positive 8 is equal to x minus 4's cancel out in that fraction, we're left with 2x. Our next step would be to distribute this x to both of the terms. So x times x is x squared minus 4x plus 8 equals 2x. Our next step would be to factor this, and in order to do that, we have to move the 2x to the other side of the equation. So we have 0 on the right hand side. 0 is equal to 8 plus negative 4x minus 2x is negative 6x and x squared. Now we have to factor this into two parentheses. So x squared becomes x and x. Factors of 8 that make 6 are 4 and 2. And we want them to be added together to get a negative 6. So we're going to do negative 4 minus 2 gives us negative 6. And negative 4 times negative 2 gives us positive 8. Now we're going to set each of these terms equal to 0. X minus 4 equals 0. And then we're going to have x minus 2 equals 0. We're going to move the 4 over to the other side, and we're left with x equals 4. We're going to move the 2 over to the other side, and we're left with x equals 2. However, in this problem, since there's a variable in the bottom of the fraction, we have to substitute our answers back into the denominators of the fractions to see if they equal 0. So in this fraction, 8 over x minus 4. If we were to put 4 into the bottom, we would get 8 over 4 minus 4, which would give us 8 over 0. You can't have 0 at the bottom of a fraction because the answer is undefined then. So x equals 4 is the incorrect answer. If we were to substitute 2 into the bottom, you would be left with 8 over 2 minus 4, which would give us 8 over negative 2, which is correct. So your answer would just be x is equal to 2, number 46.